DJI Avata 360. First use. Drone only. Powering on the aircraft. Press the power button to activate the aircraft battery, and check the battery level. Then press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds to power on the aircraft. The aircraft comes with an internal storage and allows for extended storage capacity with microSD card. Preparing compatible devices. The aircraft supports multiple control methods. Prepare the compatible devices before linking. Ensure the network connection is stable, launch DJI Fly, and follow the prompts to update the devices to the latest firmware. Linking and activation. Power on the devices. On the DJI Fly home screen, tap Connection Guide at the bottom right. Select the aircraft model and follow the prompts to complete linking and activation. If you have purchased or intend to purchase DJI Care Refresh, please finish the purchasing and binding within 48 hours of activating the aircraft. If not needed, you can skip it. Firmware update. A prompt will appear on the screen if a firmware update is available. Tap the prompt to enter the update screen. Tap Update to update all devices to the latest firmware version. During the update, do not power off the aircraft or exit the DJI Fly app. After the update, the aircraft will automatically power off. Pre-flight preparations. It is recommended to fly in an open, unobstructed space. Make sure the propellers and battery are securely installed. Remove the gimbal protector. If there are any smudges or dust on the lenses, clean them with the included cloth. Then rotate to lock the gimbal, ensuring the foot pads are facing downward. Place the aircraft on level ground with the rear facing you. Controlling the aircraft. After takeoff, the gimbal automatically rotates to enter 360 degrees mode. Basic flight controls in this mode are consistent with other DJI aircraft. Additionally, you can reframe the shot during shooting. For details, check out the video titled Panoramic Shooting and Playback. Powering off and storage. Before landing, the gimbal automatically rotates to the locked position with the foot pads facing down. Attach the gimbal protector. Power off the devices. When powered off, the USB-C port can be used for charging.